Here we have another sovereign citizen in court, but this time, it doesn't end well. This judge does not accept this defendant's shenanigans and puts out a warrant for her arrest. Let's just get right into the video.
Yeah, I think he's gone. Yeah, I think that's it. We just have the one young lady that's in the Erica vote. Who's representing herself. You ready?
Ms. Boyd, will you please turn your camera on? Now calling the people versus Erica Bowie, ticket number P1375826. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3, improper plate. Ms. Boyd, will you please state your appearance for the record?
Yes, all rights reserved. And for the record, I am out of, excuse me, I've been waiting a long time. I'm just trying to get my Zoom and everything.
Take your time. In the meantime, Ms. Bowie,
Okay, yes, here I am.
Ms. Bowie, if you're not wearing a head garment for religious purposes or for illness, I am asking that you remove this time.
This is a part of my my spiritual awareness and awakening, part of my indigenous belief and practices.
Okay. All right, Ms. Bowie, are you being represented? Are you requesting counsel at the time?
Pardon me?
Do you have an attorney to represent you today?
I am standing in as the beneficiary of Erica Bowie. I am not of this jurisdiction. I proclaim my status in 2016 and document your forward to the court to state this, to let you know that I am a part of League of Indian Nation. I am not of this jurisdiction, and I ask that the case be dismissed.
Okay, the dismissal is denied. Will you state your name for the record?
All rights reserved.
Are you stating your name for the record? Or are you refusing to state your name for the record?
For the record, all rights reserved is what I go by. I am standing in as the beneficiary of Erica Bowie.
Okay, so Ms. Bowie, this is the date.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Judge, but there's some feedback or something that as I'm writing, I hear the sounds. If that can be turned down, does someone have a TV? Okay, I don't hear anything right. I think that's just her background.
I believe it's feedback from, yes.
Yeah. All right, thank you. I'm sorry, Bob. Sorry for interrupting.
Okay. So do we have you, Ms. Erica Bowie? Are you stating that your name is Erica Bowie for the record? You have it.
There are multiple people talking. I'm sorry, Judge, but there's someone talking at the same time. I apologize.
No worries. We just have to wrap up a call in the courtroom.
Oh, okay. All right.
So we have on the Zoom, we have an appearance that states Erica Bowie as your name. Is your name Erica Bowie?
My name is Bowie L.
Okay, so as you named yourself, did you name yourself on the Zoom as Erica Bowie?
No, your clerk changed the name.
Okay. And so unless we have an actual Erica Bowie in the courtroom or an attorney appearing on behalf of Erica Bowie,
I am the beneficiary of Erica Bowie. I am standing for Erica Bowie.
They're not present.
So I'm going to ask one more time if Erica Bowie is in the courtroom before we issue a caveat. If Erica Bowie is in the courtroom, not the beneficiary of Erica Bowie, but actually Erica Bowie needs to be in appearance in this courtroom today. Therefore,
well, this is what they wrote the ticket up under. Okay. I showed the police officer all my papers and documentations as well. And this is what they wrote up. It should be in the docket, all my documentation and my identification with League of Indian Nation, my proclamation, my notarized letter from the state of Michigan stating I am not a corporation, verified by Benson. And also it was 4 pieces of documents. Oh, and a picture of my ID with League of Indian Nations.
Okay, so again,
you have those items in the document.
Time I cannot proceed without Erica Bowie actually being in the courtroom and stating your name for the record as Erica Bowie. Erica Bowie is the person on my docket. Erica Bowie needs to be the person and or an attorney who represents Erica Bowie.
Well, for the record, Your Honor, I am the beneficiary of Erica Bowie.
Without Erica Bowie being in the courtroom, I cannot proceed.
Well, that's that's not by my lack of. That's because that's what you choose to do. But I have sent all that information into my docket, and it should all be at your.
Okay, and it's being based on the court rules.
I'm sorry, you're talking, but I can't hear anything.
Ms. Bowie,
To show you who I am, it states it all. It states all of it.
I'm about to get on record. May it please this honorable court, Dante Goss, P60162, on behalf of the people. Your Honor, for someone to represent another person in the courtroom, there must be a licensed attorney from the state of Michigan. Personal representative, beneficiaries, or any things of that nature are not allowed by court rules. So we need the actual defendant to appear in this matter.
Well, me stating to you all that I am Erica Bowie will put me in your jurisdiction, and I am not in your jurisdiction, and I've sent all documentation stating that.
you may not be, but Miss Erica Bowie is, and so I will issue a caveat on Erica Bowie at this time.
But once again, Your Honor, Erica Bowie is stating, Erica Bowie has stated that she is no longer. She has a new identity, new jurisdiction that she is a part of. I'm from the Katapow Nation, and I am a part of League of Indian Nation of North America. I have a right to pertain to my family business. I have a right to see to it that my children's needs are made. Anything pertaining to my family, sustainability, and upliftment, I have a right to see to that. And the police officer saw that I was pertaining to my family right. I can't hear you.
Okay, I was on mute so that my court clerk could answer the call, and I did not. I wanted there to be a very clear record. And I've stated once, and I'm gonna state for a final time, if Erica Bowie is not in the courtroom, pursuant to the court rules, and there is no attorney representing Erica Bowie in this courtroom or on this court Zoom at this time, driving in the state of Michigan without a driver's license is an offense at the time that the officer pulled this person over. Therefore, a habeas, a warrant will be issued on behalf of Erica Bowie. That concludes this matter, Madam Court Reporter.
Well, Judge, I object. I object.
Listen to me. You're wrong. And if you don't get it, I feel sorry for you.
I object. I sent in all my paperwork to sustain what it is that I'm sharing with you this morning. I object to your calling. I object to your ruling.
You have the right to an appeal. That concludes this matter, this hearing for today. You have a good day, ma'am.
And I know, Judge, that this is not something that you don't know of. I have all my documentations to back up everything that I'm stating.
Okay,
It's unfortunate.
It's an appeal. You will have to appeal my decision. I've made a decision. I've made a ruling.
But that's not that's not fair, and that for me,
court procedure is to go to the higher court. You have a appellate right. You can exercise your appellate right. That concludes this matter, and you have a good day.
But it should have been ended here. I stated to you that I am not of your jurisdiction.
Come from people who have dumb brains.